For what values of a does this function of two variables x and y satisfy this equation down here? Okay, so how do we attack this problem? Well, we need to calculate out the appropriate partial derivatives. So f sub x is going to be, this is all constant with respect to x, so it stays put. 1/2 e to the ay minus e to the negative 4y. And then the derivative of sine of 4x with respect to x is going to be 4 cosine of 4x. And then the second derivative of this, so again, take the derivative with respect to x. Again, all of this stuff out in front is a constant with respect to x, it stays put, times negative 16 sine of 4x. And the negative 16 and the 1/2 multiply together, and we have negative 8 times e to the ay minus e to the negative 4y times sine of 4x. Okay, so this is first calculation we need to do. The second calculation, f sub y, the y partial derivative here, 1/2 times the derivative e to the ay will be a e to the ay. The derivative of e to the negative 4y will be negative 4 e to the negative 4y times sine of 4x. And then the f sub y, this partial derivative. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. Okay, a squared e to the ay minus 16 e to the negative 4y times sine of 4x. Okay, so what do we have here? We want this plus this to equal 0. Let's go to a new slide so we can write this out. We want, okay, f sub xx, negative 8 e to the ay minus e to the negative 4y times sine of 4x, plus f sub y is 1/2 a squared e to the ay minus 16 e to the negative 4y times sine of 4x. We want all of this to equal 0. Okay, what are we going to do here? We want this to be true for all values of x and y. So I'm going to factor sine of 4x here. And then what's left over is going to be a negative 8 e to the ay plus 8 e to the negative 4y plus 1/2 a squared e to the ay, and then minus 8 e to the negative 4y is equal to 0. Okay, things cancel, those terms cancel, and then we are just left with, we can factor out an e to the ay from everything else. So e to the ay times sine of 4x times negative 8 plus 1/2 a squared is equal to 0. Again, we want this to be true for all values of x and y. So in order for this to be true for all values of x and y, we need this to be 0, negative 8 plus 1/2 a squared to equal 0, and this is equal to 0 exactly when a is equal to plus or minus 4. And so that's our final answer here.